Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. Yesterday, another big drawdown day. I didn't like those calls chasing the puts, but guess what? Didn't matter. We dropped anyways. Then we finished with our third red DEX in a row, so downtrend continues. Jumping into our customer sentiment, we always say one bar doesn't make a trend, but we did have a very massive bearish customer sentiment bar here. And if you look from here, if you look here from our bullish customer sentiment we've had a nice abrupt move down. Let's see what the next bar prints though before we call it just a continued downtrend for a bit. All right. Jumping into our dark pools, there aren't any sig prints to worry about. We're very far away from all of our dark pools, so we'll have to pay very close attention to them today to see if anything new pops up. But for the most part, we're obviously very, very, very far away. 587, we're not even near that right now at 579 pre-market session. And 605, our largest ag, all the way up here, we're obviously quite far away from that as well. Jumping into our gamma, so we're at about 579 in the pre-market session. So right here, we're looking at the ag, is a nice big rappel bar. And if we cannot get above 580 on the ag, we're going down to 572. If we can, we have range up to 585, 587, and 590. Biggest pulls are still all to the right now. Very small pulls down here. 575 would not shock me today. We have PCE, we have witching day, whatever you want to call it, whether it's 3 or 4, whatever you want to call, that's all there. Let's go ahead and take a look at today, though, Friday, 12/20, and see if anything is too different. Fridays are always a little bit messy, so we're kind of looking at the same thing. We do have a pretty sizable pull down here at 575, and then something all the way up here at 610. Probably put an X on that unless we have the craziest rally of all time today. That would be quite a big move. Right now, I'd be more inclined to think we trade maybe 575 at some point. Hopefully not all the way down to 580 to 566. My goodness, that'd be very far. 575, and then maybe we see a bounce. I'm not sure. Today will be very important for 0-day and NetFlow because right now we're very mixed and somewhat thin to this downside on our gamma right now, so we'll have to pay attention to what those start saying. Yesterday, they started letting us know we were going to move down. Our gamma range gave a very nice range yesterday, and we continued to move down into it. So remember that. All right, everybody, have a good Friday. Stay safe out there, and go get that Oprah money.